Hello and welcome to this edition of Market Headstart. Well, my name is Shata Janand and today I'll take you through all the factors as well as stocks which will move markets on Thursday, that is 24th of October. Now let's also understand what really happened in Wednesday's trading session. Well, the buying scene in the second half of the trading session helped both Sensex and Nifty reclaim above crucial resistance level. In fact, Sensex is now back above 39,000. Nifty50 also reclaimed 11,600 levels on closing basis. Now, apart from any news or any developments around about Brexit as well as trade war front between US as well as China, markets would also react to the outcome of the assembly elections in Maharashtra as well as Haryana. Although the official results will be out around about 5 p.m, but trends would be known probably in the second half of the trading session, so markets would react to that accordingly. Apart from that, one major headwind for Indian markets could be rise in crude oil prices. They are not trading above $60 a barrel. In fact, if you remember, crude oil prices were trading around about $58 and $57 a barrel just a week back. So definitely that has sort of inched up above 60. Apart from that, rupee appreciated slightly against the US dollar. But one major headwind for Indian markets is that foreign institutional investors have again turned net sellers. In fact, they pulled out more than 200 odd crores from the Indian equity markets in yesterday's trading session. Now, let's understand what will be the big news today. Well, earnings will be the new focus. In fact, 87 companies all in all will be declaring their results for the quarter ended September later today. Now, the prominent one being ITC. Here, the PAT is likely to grow by 7% on a year-on-year basis. However, for Maruti Suzuki, the net profit could actually fall by 59% on a year-on-year basis. And for Indigo or Interglobe Aviation, there is some good news as the company could actually report a profit around about 620 crores. Now remember, all the estimates are from Motilal Oswal. Now, apart from that, in terms of technicals, how Nifty is placed at this point in time. Well, if you look at yesterday's candlestick pattern for the Nifty, it formed a doji kind of a pattern, which essentially means that there was a lot of indecisiveness among the bulls as well as the bears. In fact, we saw a lot of intraday movement on the upside as well as downside. So let's also understand the important moving averages. So in fact, a 5 days exponential moving average has been acting as a crucial bit of support for the Nifty index since the past 8 to 10 trading session. In fact, it has been a good support since 10th of October. So whenever it, Nifty moves around about 5 days exponential moving average, we have seen a bounce back, and the same thing happened in yesterday's trading session as well. Apart from that, crucial moving averages or crucial levels to watch out for today would be 11,554, which was the intraday low formed in yesterday's trading session. Apart from that, on the lower side, 11,500 would also act as a major support for the index. On the high side, most experts feel that 11,700, 11,772 and 798 are your major resistance level to watch out for. So in case the trading strategy at this point in time should be if investors are holding long position, they should stay put. Fresh positions should only be added once Nifty manages to break above 11,772 or 798 levels convincingly, then only add long positions. Apart from that, there's no point adding going short at this point in time because there are no major cues which suggest that markets could actually reverse from here. So and on the downside, 11,554 and 11,500 levels are your crucial support to watch out for. Apart from that, let's also look at stocks which will be in focus based on the news flow. The first stock that we have on the list is MotoCorp. Here the company reported 10% or 10.4% year-on-year decline in September quarter profit at 874 crores. HCL Technologies will be in focus. Now, the IT company reported healthy growth in earnings driven by IBM deal. Now, the September profit rose by 19.4% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. JSW Steel will be in focus. Now, a significant write-back of the deferred tax liability due to lowering of corporate tax helped JSW Steel posted a 21% sequential 21% growth in its consolidated net profit at 2,536 crores for the September quarter. Now, well, to make your day more profitable, we also spoke to Bonanza Portfolio and they've given us 3 recommendations for today. Now, the first stock that they have on the list is Blue Star. Now, that's a buy for a target of 930 and a stop loss of 815. ICICI Lombard, now that's also buy for a target of 1403 and a stop loss of 1250. GE Power India, now that's a sell for a target of 655 and a stop loss of 735. Now remember, the return potential is close to 7 to 8% on all the three stocks. These are not intraday trading ideas, but more of a positional play. So in case you initiate any positions based on these recommendations, do consult your financial advisor. Well, thanks a lot for tuning into this edition of Market Headstart, but do stay log on to moneycontrol.com for more on news, business and economy.